U-Drains. Precast concrete U-Drains made by VME come in 3 standard sizes: 600 by 600, 750 by 750, 900 by 900, and 1200 by 1200. They are made of M45 grade concrete. Wall thickness and the cover slabs of these drains are dependent on the type of loading coming on to the drains. 3 variants are light duty, medium duty, and heavy duty. Light duty means the drain walls are designed only for surcharge load due to the soil. Cover slab on top of these drains will also be light duty in nature because only human load will be on top of those, and there cannot be movement of any loads more than 150 kilograms per square meter. Medium duty means the drain walls are designed for load due to soil and vehicular traffic passing adjacent to the drain wall. Walls can project above the road to a reasonable height, which will indicate that vehicles should not go on top of the drain. However, the drain wall is not designed to take any impact load of the vehicles, and it will not act like a barrier. Here again, the cover slabs will be light duty, as there can be only human traffic over it and bicycles. Heavy duty drain means the drain walls are designed for load due to soil and vehicular traffic passing over the drains. Cover slabs on the drain top will be heavy duty, as it has to take the load of the truck. Based on the topography of the land, the drains will be laid. If the top level of the drain has to be remain flat, then different depth of the drains have to be chosen to get the required slope. Inner slope for the flow of water will be got by laying PCC. If the drain has to be laid as per the topography of the land, then there will not be any challenge, as the drain slope will be same as that of the land slope. The drains are very simple to erect. Soil is excavated to the required depth and then the soil is leveled. If the soil is good, then quarry dust or sand is spread and rammed with a mechanical vibrator. If the soil is poor and clayey, then PCC is laid. Drains are placed along the leveled surface. To hold the 2 pieces together in position, there will be a corbel at the bottom of 2 drains, which will be interconnected. Drains are required to be interconnected and held in position, as there are chances that it could move while backfilling, and also if there is any settlement in soil over the course of time. Standard length of each drain is 6 meters and custom lengths can be cast suiting the topography and site needs. Erection is quick, provided the preliminary works are done properly. On an average, a team of 4 people and 1 crane can erect close to 15 pieces a day, which is about 90 meters. If the same work has to be done in conventional way, it will involve lot of labor and time. Alignment of the drain and getting a straight line will be very difficult. Also, the top level of the drain is equally important for cover slabs to have a uniform level, so that the people walking on top will not have any difficulty. Precast drains are cast as a monolithic piece and there will be no chance for leakages in the bottom joints, whereas in conventional system, bottom slab is cast separately and then the walls are cast separately, thereby leaving a cold joint. There is every chance that water will leak through the joints. When there are heavy rains, we will not be able to know if the water is coming from the road or from the joints. Hence, precast system of drain construction is fast and easy. For any further queries on products, feel free to contact us. 984004140 or email us marketing@vmeprecast.com.